Okay, so we have the last video for this algebra series. And today we will cover raising a quotient to a power. And we will also simplify an exponential expression. So, uh, to raise a quotient to a power. So we have uh, this fraction right here. So we have the quotient and raising it to a power. In this example, it is 4. So raise the numerator and the denominator. So numerator 3, denominator y to the third. So raise the numerator and the denominator to the 4th power. Okay, so we have 3, raise it to the 4th power. We have y to the third, and we raise it to the 4th power. Okay, and then we have 3 to the 4th, y to the 12th, because the 4 is outside of the parentheses, so we multiply 3 times 4, and we get 12. And then 3 to the 4th. What is 3 to the 4th? We'll put it in our calculators. That is 81. So 81, and then y to the 12th. So that's our answer. Okay, so you try. Simplify each expression. So I'll get my green, and we have 3 over x squared to the second. So we have 3 squared, and then x squared, and then remember 2 is this to the 2, it's outside of the parentheses, so we multiply. So 2 times 2, 4. X to the 4th. Okay. And then we can simplify this. 3 squared is 9. So it's 9 over x to the 4th. That's the answer. Okay. So x over for b, x over y squared to the third. So we have x cubed, then 2 times 3, 6. So y to the 6th. And this is t to the 7th over 2 cubed. So multiply these. So that's t to the 14th. And then 3 times 2, that's 2 to the 6th. And then we can simplify this further. So that's t to the 14th. And then 2 to the 6th, 2 to the 6th, 64. All right. Okay, so next part, simplifying an exponential expression. So we have 2/3 to the negative third. So we have a negative exponent here. So we're going to rewrite using the reciprocal. And the reciprocal means that we flip the fraction. So it's 2/3 here, and now it's 3/2 here. So the denominator went to the numerator. and the numerator went to the denominator. So that's the reciprocal. And we rewrite using the reciprocal when we have a negative exponent. So now it's positive when we use the reciprocal. Okay, so outside the parentheses, so we multiply. So 3 to the third, yeah. 2 to the third from this. Now 3 to the third, so we got 3 times 3 times 3. That's 3 to the third. So if we put it in our calculator, 3 to the third, 27. All right, so we have 27 right here. Another way to look at it, 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Then we have 2 to the third. So 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Okay. Then, so we have 27 over 8. So how many times can 8 go into 27? Well, we have 8 times 3. That equals 24. So it goes into it 3 times. And then we have 25, 26, 27. So that's 3 right there. 3 more. So 3 out of 8 more. So the answer is 3 and 3/8. Okay. So simplify. Next example. Negative 4b over c to the negative 2. So we have a negative exponent. So we're going to rewrite using the reciprocal. Reciprocal means to flip it. So c in the denominator goes to the numerator. 4b in the numerator goes to the denominator. Now we have a positive exponent. So now we have negative c over 4b squared. So, and this says write the fraction with a negative numerator. So we just put the negative right here. We know it's right here, not to the side here. And we have negative c squared 4b squared. So we apply this exponent right here and right here. Raise the numerator and denominator to the second power. Second power right here, or squared. Simplify. So negative c squared is c squared because we have c. It's negative c times negative c. And we have two positives multiply together. That's a positive. So that becomes c squared, positive c squared. And we have 4 squared. 4 times 4, 16. B squared, B squared. And that's the answer. Okay. So on our own, simplify each expression. So we have a negative exponent. So we'll take the reciprocal. So we'll flip it. So 4 thirds. And we'll make a positive exponent to the third. All right. Now, it's 4 cubed to the over 3 cubed. Now let's see, 4 cubed, what is that? We'll just put it in our calculator. So 4 cubed, that is 64. So we have 64. 3 cubed, well, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. All right, so, and this is our answer. B. So we have a negative exponent right here. So we're going to take the reciprocal, denominator and the numerator. And we have numerator in the denominator. And this is, we'll keep the negative for the fraction, but we'll keep it in the numerator. And then to the fifth, it's a positive 5 because we took the reciprocal. All right. So now we have negative 2 to the fifth and 1 to the fifth. Okay, so negative 2 to the fifth. Let's see what that is. Negative 2 to the fifth. Negative 32. Negative 32. 1 to the fifth is 1. That's 1, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 1. Okay, so negative 32 over 1 is negative 32. All right. C. We have a negative exponent again. So we will take the reciprocal. So that's in the numerator, 2r in the denominator. Okay. And change this to a positive 1 exponent. So that becomes s to the 1. And we have 2r to the 1. Okay. And so s to the 1 is s. And 2r to the 1 becomes 2r. Okay. And this is our answer, s over 2r. And last one. So we have a negative exponent. So what do? We take the reciprocal. So m in the numerator. 7a goes in the denominator. I'll split this down so you can see the difference. And then we have to the second power. And then we have m squared. And then we're going to go for both of these. So we have 7 squared. So I'll write it all out. 7 squared. Then we have a squared. So we'll keep the m squared right here. And then 7 squared, 7 times 7 is 49. And then a squared. Okay, and so this is our answer. So it's m squared over 49 a squared. Okay, so that does it. So we finished the whole algebra series. So hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and have a good summer break.